In this video, I will show you how to combine two Nature's Generator Powerhouse V2 units to deliver up to 14,400 watts of power. Connect this end of combiner cable to the power ports on the back of the Powerhouse V2. Connect the other end to a 125A automatic transfer switch or a sub-panel. The black and red wires are for hot terminals. The white is for neutral terminal. The green wire is for the ground terminal. At first, insert the combiner cable into the power port. The other end will be connected to a 125A automatic transfer switch or a sub-panel. Press the main power button and the AC on and off button on the first Powerhouse V2. The second Powerhouse V2 powers on automatically. Press the AC on and off button on the second Powerhouse V2. The indicators confirm that the two Powerhouse V2 units are combined successfully. Now we use a heat gun to demonstrate how it works. I plug it on the first Powerhouse V2. Both Powerhouse V2s share the load. That's how we can deliver up to 14,400 watts of power. You've successfully combined two Powerhouse units. For more information, please feel free to visit at naturesgenerator.com or follow us. Thanks for watching.